you an expert, entrepreneur, or small business owner passionate about helping people through life's transitions? The Fresh Starts Expert membership is perfect for you. For just $55 per month, this dynamic membership is designed to boost your business and amplify your brand. Fresh Starts is here to provide you with business development, marketing, coaching, networking, publicity, community engagement, and more. With an SEO-optimized profile, exclusive press opportunities, and weekly co-working and business coaching sessions, you'll connect, grow, and gain visibility like never before. Are you ready to elevate your brand? We can't wait to work with you. Visit freshstartsregistry.com and become a Fresh Starts expert today.
Divorce happens. In fact, it happens to almost 50% of first marriages. So let's talk about it. Welcome to Divorce Happens, a podcast to educate, inspire, support, and yes, make you laugh through divorce and beyond so that you can start fresh on the next phase of your journey. Remember, divorce happens, and then we start fresh.
You get divorced. You get divorced.
Getting divorced?
I'm getting a divorce.
You're getting a divorce.
Because she's getting a divorce. So what if I get divorced?
Hello, I'm Alex Peterson, a matrimonial and family law attorney and owner of Family First Legal Group and a Fresh Starts expert. I'm here today with 5 fresh tips for you to help you better understand the divorce process, between equipping you to prepare an exit strategy and better guiding you on the pitfalls most people make. So first, buy nice, not twice. There are so many people who try to price shop and they end up getting burned. Then we have to step in to assist, and sometimes it's too late to really fix it. So don't make that mistake. Buy nice, not twice. Our second tip, ask the right questions. No one asks things like, what is the caseload of each lawyer in your firm? How often is my specific lawyer out of the office? Does anyone cover for my lawyer when he or she is out? Everyone asks about competence, aggressiveness, these traits that are pretty much useless and abstract, but they need to ask about the economy of time. You can be the greatest lawyer in the world, but if you don't have any time to do the work, you're not a great lawyer. 3, ask to speak with a former client who went through something similar. This is a big one. We routinely refer our prospective clients to speak to our community of former clients with their permission, naturally, so they can hear it from their perspective. If a lawyer is unable or unwilling to do the same for you, that's a very bad sign. Your lawyer can only know what it's like to have gone through this from the lawyer's chair. They don't know what it's like to have gone through it from the seat of the client. So if you can't speak to someone who's lived through it, who they didn't know before the case started, and they're reluctant to give you that introduction, that's a problem. 4, 2 ears, 1 mouth to be used in proportion. A good meeting with a good lawyer should involve a lot of listening from the lawyer at the outset. And then at a certain point, the dynamic shifts and the lawyer will need the room to express the system and the plan for resolution. I've seen countless times a lawyer never shutting the heck up to listen at the beginning to what the client's concerns and fears and worries are. And then I've also been in meetings on the other side where a client pays a hefty fee for a consultation and then really doesn't ever stop talking. And they spend the entire time just speaking and not really listening to the opportunities for solutions. So don't do that. Make sure you get a good lawyer who listens, and then it's your turn to listen as well. 5th and finally, ask what the full fare is for the trip. It is very common to ask about hourly rates, but so uncommon to ask about what the whole trip costs, so to speak. If you're in San Diego, who cares what it costs to go to San Francisco if you're trying to get to New York City? You need to know a full estimate of costs for the whole project. If you have a lawyer who's unwilling or unable to tell you at least a rough estimate or guideline of how much it costs to do the entire project, they either haven't ever done it, so they don't know, or they're unwilling to be transparent with you, and both of those things are huge red flags. I hope these 5 fresh tips help you better understand the divorce process, help you to equip to prepare an exit strategy, and will better guide you on the pitfalls most people make. And remember, you can always find me at Fresh Starts Registry in the Expert Guide. I'm Alex Peterson, and never forget, we're proud of you.
Divorce Happens is produced by Fresh Starts Registry, the only divorce registry platform for everything you need to begin again, including home items, hype team, and everything in between. Remember, divorce happens, and then we start fresh. We're here to support you before, during, and after divorce. Head to freshstartsregistry.com for more info.
Are you an expert, entrepreneur, or small business owner passionate about helping people through life's transitions? The Fresh Starts Expert membership is perfect for you. For just $55 per month, this dynamic membership is designed to boost your business and amplify your brand.
I'm Nikki Innocent, and I'm a Fresh Starts expert. The Fresh Starts expert membership is different from other products or services in this realm because it covers everything. It covers your ability to be supported by a community if you are a small business owner or a solopreneur, by having daily ways to connect with other people in the entrepreneurial space, even if they're in a different industry. There's coaching, which is next level coaching on a lot of ways. They offer the ability for you to be held as the individual you are, the business owner you are, and the vulnerable person you are, just operating each and every day. So that is wonderful. The products themselves, the press alone is something that I recommend for people to join the membership around. If you are looking to build out your public profile, if you're looking to understand what people care about in the industry that you're working in, the press element of this membership will give you that. You also have the amazing support of Olivia and Jenny, who will be able to direct you and highlight the parts of what you are doing that the world needs to hear more about. And oftentimes, if you are in a small business setting or you're building something, it can be really challenging to notice those things about yourself from an external view. So they do a great job of that. And there are so many other elements to this. There's a level of amplification that they do within their network to let people know who you are and what you do. There's a matchmaking energy to ensuring that you understand the other experts that are in the space that might be able to be complementary collaborators or support for you as you are on your journey, and so much more. I think there is a part of this in particular that is different than many other membership spaces because there is a very, very obvious and deeply felt sense of connection and collaboration. The competition element does not show up in this membership space. The sharing information and even talking about how competition might pop up is part of it. And it creates a new normal where we can actually rise with one another instead of looking at each other as competition to kind of leapfrog over. I think that this particular membership offers not only the individual so much, but businesses so much, and hopefully the larger landscape of how we can operate as humans that bring different things to the table. Would I recommend this membership to others? Heck yeah, I would. And I do. I recommend this membership to people all the time. And when I say this all the time, I mean everybody I meet.
Fresh Starts is here to provide you with business development, marketing, coaching, networking, publicity, community engagement, and more. With an SEO-optimized profile, exclusive press opportunities, and weekly co-working and business coaching sessions, you'll connect, grow, and gain visibility like never before.
Hi, I'm Lorraine Connell, and I'm a Fresh Starts expert. Fresh Starts membership is different from other similar products and services because it allows me to have a platform where my content is shared. It's a place where I can collaborate with others. And there's so many different membership opportunities. There's coaching, there's co-working. Being a member of Fresh Starts Registry has impacted my personal growth by giving me opportunities to think about the work that I'm doing. And it's helped me in my professional growth by the coaching that Olivia and Jenny provide. Would I recommend membership to others? Hands down. In fact, I've recommended it to 5 people in the first month that I've been a part of it.
Are you ready to elevate your brand? We can't wait to work with you. Visit freshstartsregistry.com and become a Fresh Starts expert today.